Brand new HP cartridge, and the printer still says empty. 60 seconds, let's fix it. Leave the printer powered on. Never swap a cartridge with the printer off, because the carriage has to slide to the center on its own. Open the top cover and wait for it to move. Push the old cartridge down, then pull it toward you. It releases with a click, it doesn't yank out. New cartridge. Peel the plastic strip off the bottom and stop there. Do not touch the copper contacts or the gold chip. Skin oil on that chip is the #1 reason a brand new cartridge reads as empty. Slide it in at a slight upward angle, then press until you hear it click. Close the cover and let the alignment page print. Here's the one that gets everybody. If it still says cartridge not recognized, pull it back out, wipe the chip with a dry lint-free cloth, and reseat it. 9 times out of 10, that's the fix, not a bad cartridge. More printer fixes at Castle Inc.